Welcome to Mackenzie88. So we have just entered from the lift landing and we are currently at unit 04-05. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a utility room. Floor area is 850 square feet. We are currently standing in the living dining area. So as you can see, very spacious. This is an 850 square feet unit. It's the largest unit in the entire development. There are only 5 such units available here. There are 2 configurations of the 2-bedroom, 850 and 807. This is the largest available. Let's take a look from the balcony. So no sun. The balcony faces the pool, the gym, jacuzzi. And as you can see, the left and right blocks will block you from any rain or sun. Faces out towards Emily Park View. Okay. Development has a total of 55 units. This unit is available for both rent and sale. It comes fully furnished. So all the tenant needs to do is to bring a suitcase and you can move in immediately. Now, let's take a look at the bedrooms. The master bedroom, ensuite, bathroom with a sunken bath. Currently comes with 2 single beds, which you can put in. It's basically equivalent to a king. Generous size master bedroom with storage space. Now let's take a view out from the master room. Okay, as you can see, empty state land. Perfect for pets or dogs if you need to go running. Let's take a look at the guest bedroom. So this is the guest bedroom. Generous size as well. You can fit in a queen size bed. Everything you see here comes with the apartment, fully furnished as I mentioned. This is a sofa bed which you can put in the living room to watch your TV, or you can convert into a spare bed. Okay, take a look at the second toilet, or rather the common toilet. Comes with its own bath, and the table is extendable. You can unfold it to become a full size. Maintenance for this unit is $240 a month all in, inclusive of the car park. We are making surplus every single year, so maintenance will not be increasing. As you are aware, $240 a month is probably the cheapest. It's a record low for a District 9 freehold condo. Now let's look at the kitchen. Kitchen comes with a very generous size space, sufficient storage. You can actually cook in here. Okay, comes with a yard area, washer, dryer, all comes with it. And again, the view out from the kitchen window. This is a 3-4 minute walk to Little India MRT, about a 5 to 8 minute walk to Dhoby Ghaut MRT. You are the neighbor of Istana. Nearby there's of course your Tekka Market, KK Hospital. Now, there is a storage or utility area. Here, which is big enough, sufficient to put all your stuff. Can also be converted to a helper's room, of course. Now, in conclusion, the Standard Chartered Bank valuation is at 1.55 million. The current This condo comes with full facilities. It's got a swimming pool, a gym, 24-hour gym. It's got barbecue, baby pool, and jacuzzi. One good thing and one bad thing about while it's got all the condo facilities, everything is very small. Again, because it's only 55 unit. The one good thing is that because everything is very small, your maintenance fee is also very small, at just $240 a month, record low for District 9 freehold. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for seeing Mackenzie88 04-05.